you've been following along with my in color sort of reveal here, and each week I've been showing another color. So I've already covered off Cloud Cover, Secret Sea, and Strawberry Slush in previous videos. And today I want to do Timid Tiger. So let's just pull this in here so you can see it first. Do a little comparison. Now, of course, the colors change depending on what you put them up against. So putting them up against white is going to look different than black, and putting them up against each other is going to look different, but at least it gives you some idea. So this is Timid Tiger, the big long strip here, and I've compared it to, they're all current colors, the ones I've compared them to. So of course, the closest one is probably Pumpkin Pie. But you can see that it is in fact a darker orange, whereas this is more of a, I want to call it a happy orange, but a little bit more muted too. So this one's quite a bright in your face, like I think of Halloween type of thing, whereas Timid Tiger is a very more soft orange, and I'm using it today so you'll see that. Then Calypso Coral, you can see, is much more pink. Although I do consider it kind of an orangey color. And then Flirty Flamingo, you can see, is really quite pink compared to that. Peach Pie is a nice sort of offset of that color. And then Petal Pink, surprisingly, is a really nice combination with that color. In fact, I'm going to use that today. So Petal Pink is a pink, but it's got a hint of orange to it, so it kind of matches with that. So I hope that kind of helps.